Another screen. This one's Korean though, and it's not quite as elaborate or anywhere close to the elaboracy of the other one, Japanese, but you have to enjoy the natural flow of this vine, of grapes. It's really special into its own right. And it's not a mistake that the museum went over and they put them, side by side like this at right angles, because that's the way they were intended to be viewed. And I think that the perspective of the panels are actually designed to be seen that way. From here you can see in the middle, it gives an illusion of flatness, even though that it's at a 90-degree angle, and it's not flat, it's at a 90-degree angle. Same thing here. So that's a nice optical illusion. Obviously a master at work. Doesn't hit you in the eye like other works of art, but it does work very well, and it even has like a three-dimensional feel to it as you walk past it. Lovely piece.